How to update your 1950s pocket door hardware with little cost and little effort. Finding the exact sized hardware for these 70-year-old doors is almost impossible, so I decided to see if I could reuse the hardware. I got a little bit of nail polish and put it on the screw heads to see if I could get the screws out, and that worked. So then I cut around the door handles and hardware and added a little bit of nail polish remover on that seam so it could penetrate through. And then I worked a little paint out of the edge with the screwdriver. Once I did that all the way around, then I gave it a couple of gentle bangs with my screwdriver. Still had a little trouble releasing, but eventually I was able to pry it off using my screwdriver in the screw hole and giving it a pull. I let the hardware soak in a little bit of nail polish remover, acetone, and then worked a little off from time to time. I was a little disappointed to see that the back sides of these were two different colors, so I didn't know what it was going to look like. And the finger pull was yet another color behind. It took a while, but I was eventually able to get all the paint off of the hardware. But as it turns out, I did not want to be mismatched, so I went looking for something that I could put in without doing too much work or cutting too big a hole in my pocket door. Side by side, you can see these almost have the same bolt pattern. This is my old pocket door handle, and I wanted something a little more modern, and I like the square look. So I bought this at Lowe's, and it looked close, which a lot of them don't fit 70-year-old pocket doors. It was not a perfect fit. It wouldn't stay flush, you can see there. Oops, maybe. It was close though, but I was able to use the same holes for the screw and I could get it to hold in place. So I decided to just dig it out a little bit. Okay, so basically I'm just trying to cut down in the corner here a little bit and then cut across, which I can't do with one hand because the door will move, but you get the idea. That corner, this corner, here and here, and I might need a little in the center points, but we'll see. So this is just how much I carved out of the other side. Now you can see it lays pretty flush. And if you're careful and you really wanted to, you could still use the old pocket door handle. It still fits in there, it's a little loose, but once you put the screws in and maybe fill it in a little, you could still go back to it. So this is how it turned on the end, and I'm pretty happy with it. There we have it.